So today we have a really interesting case. My client came in with old permanent brow makeup that has faded into this cool grayish tone. And honestly, this is one of the most common problems I see. Over time, the pigment shifts, it loses warmth and starts looking almost ashy. But here is the good news. We can fix this without touching the tattoo itself. We are going to work on the surface level only, using brow lamination combined with a warm tint to neutralize that gray. First things first, I always start with a thorough analysis. You need to understand what you are working with before you dive in. The depth of the pigment, the undertone, how the skin has healed, all of that matters. Once I have a clear picture, I clean the skin and prep the area. This might seem basic, but proper preparation is everything. If the skin is not clean, nothing you apply afterward will perform the way it should. Now we move into lamination. I am applying the first solution, which softens the hair structure. Each brow hair has a protective layer, almost like armor. This step gently opens that up, making the hair more flexible. Why does that matter? Because we need these hairs to lay in a completely new direction. We are reshaping the brow architecture to camouflage the old permanent shape underneath. The way you brush and set the hairs during this stage determines everything. Now the second solution, the neutralizer. It locks everything in place. Whatever direction we have, set those hairs in. This step freezes it. And you know what I love about this technique? It is completely non-invasive. We are not going deeper into the skin. We are not trying to remove the old tattoo. Sometimes the most elegant solution is the simplest one. I am brushing through the brows with a spoolie, making sure every hair is sitting exactly where I want it. This is my favorite part, so satisfying when the shape comes together. After that, I clean up around the brow area, remove any product that has migrated onto the skin. Precision matters. You want clean, defined borders. And now comes the magic moment. Tinting. This is where we tackle that gray undertone head-on. The key is choosing the right pigment tone. You do not want to just go darker. That would be a mistake. What you need is warmth, a warm tone tint that visually cancels out the cool gray from the permanent underneath. Basic color theory. Warm neutralizes cool. I apply it carefully with a fine brush, making sure every hair gets saturated evenly. While the tint develops, let me share something important. Taking care of your brows at home between appointments makes a huge difference. A good brow serum, gentle cleansing, avoiding harsh products around the brow area, these small things extend the life of any treatment. Regular lamination and tinting sessions can keep everything looking fresh without invasive procedures. We are in the final stretch now. I am checking the color development and look at this difference. The gray is completely gone. What we have now is a beautiful, warm, natural tone that complements her skin and hair color. That is what I always aim for, harmony. The brows should not scream for attention. They should quietly frame the face and make everything look polished. So here we are, the finished look. Natural, soft, warm brows with no trace of that old gray permanent. The lamination gives them structure. The tint gives them warmth. Together, it is a complete transformation without any invasive procedures. If you are dealing with old permanent makeup that has gone gray, there are solutions, and they are simpler than you think.